Have you ever woken up feeling stiff? Your neck feels tight, your back aches, and your body just doesn't want to move? You're not alone. The truth is, most of us spend hours sitting at a desk, looking down at our phones, or simply not moving enough throughout the day. The good news? You don't need an expensive gym membership, you don't need to be flexible, and you definitely don't need to be a yoga expert. Today, I'm going to show you 12 simple stretches that anyone can do. Just 10 to 15 minutes every morning can help improve your flexibility, reduce stiffness, improve your posture, and leave you feeling refreshed for the rest of the day. Welcome to InnerFlow Wellness. If you're new here, this channel is all about helping you build a healthier body and a calmer mind through simple yoga, stretching, and wellness routines. Today's stretches are perfect for beginners. Remember, this isn't a competition. Never force your body into a position that feels painful. Instead, move slowly, breathe deeply, and enjoy the process. Let's begin. Our first stretch is one of the most important, especially if you spend a lot of time using a computer or your phone. Sit or stand comfortably. Slowly lower your right ear toward your right shoulder. Don't lift your shoulder. Just let gravity do the work. Take slow, deep breaths. Feel the gentle stretch along the side of your neck. Return to center. Now, switch sides. This stretch helps reduce neck stiffness, improve mobility, and relieve tension headaches. Let's wake up those shoulders. Lift your shoulders toward your ears. Roll them back and down. Repeat slowly. Now, reverse the direction. Forward, up and down. This simple movement improves blood circulation and releases tension built up from long hours of sitting. Now let's improve our posture. Stand tall. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Straighten your arms as much as comfortable. Lift your chest. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Take 3 slow breaths. If you sit at a desk most of the day, this stretch can feel amazing. It opens the chest and helps counter rounded shoulders. Come onto your hands and knees. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. As you inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest and look slightly upward. This is cow pose. As you exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin and pull your belly button toward your spine. This is cat pose. Move slowly with your breath. This stretch gently massages the spine and improves flexibility throughout your back. Now slowly sit back onto your heels. Stretch your arms forward. Relax your forehead toward the floor. Take slow breaths. Allow your hips to sink back. Feel the stretch through your lower back and shoulders. This pose is wonderful for releasing stress and calming the nervous system. Tuck your toes. Lift your hips toward the ceiling. Don't worry if your heels don't touch the floor. Keep a slight bend in your knees if needed. Press your hands firmly into the mat. Slowly pedal your feet. Stretch one calf, then the other. This is one of the best full body stretches in yoga. Slowly walk your feet toward your hands. Stand up halfway, then gently fold forward. Let your head relax. Hold opposite elbows if that feels comfortable. Feel the stretch through your hamstrings and lower back. Breathe deeply. Step your right foot forward into a lunge. Lower your left knee if needed. Gently push your hips forward. You should feel the stretch in the front of your left hip. If you spend a lot of time sitting, your hip flexors often become tight. This stretch helps restore mobility. Switch sides. Sit on the floor. Extend one leg. Bend the opposite leg comfortably. Keeping your back straight, lean forward from your hips. Reach toward your foot. Don't worry if you can't touch your toes. Stretch only as far as feels comfortable. Switch sides. Bring the soles of your feet together. Allow your knees to fall outward. Sit up tall. Hold your feet. You can gently lean forward if it feels comfortable. This stretch helps open the hips and improve flexibility. Sit comfortably. Cross one leg over the other. Place the opposite elbow outside your knee. Lengthen your spine, then gently twist. Don't force the movement. Look over your shoulder. Breathe deeply. Now switch sides. Twisting improves spinal mobility and relieves stiffness. Stand tall. Reach your right arm overhead. Lean gently toward the left. Feel the stretch through the side of your body. Return to center. Switch sides. This movement stretches muscles that often get neglected during the day. Stand comfortably. Close your eyes. Take one deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Notice how your body feels. Your shoulders feel lighter, your back feels more relaxed, your breathing is deeper, and your mind is calmer. This is exactly why consistency matters. You don't have to stretch for an hour. Even 10 to 15 minutes every day can make a noticeable difference over time. If you enjoyed today's routine, let me know in the comments which stretch felt the best for you. Was it the cat-cow, the hip flexor stretch, or maybe child's pose? I'd love to hear about your experience. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to InnerFlow Wellness for more beginner-friendly yoga, stretching, and wellness routines every week. And remember, a healthier life isn't built through one perfect workout. It's built through small, consistent habits. Thank you for practicing with me today. Take this calm energy with you wherever your day leads. Have a beautiful day.